Good morning, guys, from Zephyrhills. We are at the house. We are doing something kind of exciting. We finally got the okay to turn on the solar. So ran into a little problem. My panels up here were very dirty, where they've sat for about a year waiting to get turned on. For those of you that don't know, we went through a whole debacle with a company called MC Solar that put the roof on, put the panels on, and then went out of business without getting the rest of it done. So we ended up with a company called Solar Bear and a whole deal, and they finally got us hooked up, and Duke finally swapped over the meter to read solar, and here we are about a year and a half later. So me and Ron took a ride over here this morning, and we just took some car wash soap, a hose, and a brush like you would wash an RV, basically, and just basically did a car wash on the solar panels. When the Solar Bear installer was here, he told us a pretty good tip. You need to keep these things clean. The cleaner they are, the more solar and power they generate, and so on and so forth. So that's what we just did. I'm getting ready to throw the switch here in a minute. I'll let you come along for the ride with that. Ron's picking up. We're almost done here. But you guys can see the roof. They did a good job. Did a good job on the solar. It, they just went out of business. Yeah, next thing, I think Tuesday, me and Megan are going to come back over. We got some tree limbs here that need to be cut back and do a little trimming, get some moss out and whatnot, so we get as much sun onto these panels as possible. And yeah, we'll be rocking. I'm gonna go down the ladder here. Give me a second, and then we'll go throw the switch. Oh. And I really need to clean my gutters. They're terrible. Actually, I need to replace my gutters is what I really need to do, to be honest. Okay. I'm gonna go throw the switch. So, go under the waterfall here. Whee! Got Big Zane in there barking at us. He's all happy that we're getting the solar turned on. I'm pretty sure that's what he's saying. It could be. Who the hell is that older guy in the yard? Run, Dad? Could be that too. So, here we go. Around the corner. Here is our knife switch for this. So, this is all solar. This is solar. 3, 2, 1. Solar's on. I'm not dying. That's good. We got CNET. It's doing its thing. Regulating. Yeah. Here we go. So, solar is on. It's exciting. Now we're just waiting, making sure nothing catches on fire or does anything stupid. Just saying. So we have that. I want to make sure the breakers are on in the house. Let's go do that real quick. Otherwise, we are getting there. We are ready for gutters back here. Around the whole house, we're pretty much ready for gutters. Now we just gotta purchase them, have the guy come. He's gonna make them right here in the front, and then me and Ron will install them. Let's go back inside and take these with me. Boo, I'm bringing your tools back in. Hi, Zane. Hi, Kodas. All right, let's check our breakers. Light on the situation. Everything's on. Okay, we're in business here, guys. We have solar, so we're rocking. So there you go. There's our update on the Zephyrhills house. It's been a while since we had one, but the solar panels are clean. The solar is turned on officially. Nothing's doing anything weird. I think we're good. I watched the meter change over, which is kind of cool. And hopefully we'll start getting lower electric bills. That would be great. Or no electric bill would be even better. But I think to get that, sadly, this guy might have to go away. But I don't think Megan's ever gonna let us do that. So it might be just a little trimming. See if we can't get some sun through it. So, but anyway, guys, that's what we got for you today. Solar's on, big update. Huge deal for us. It's been a year and a half in the making. It's something that should have took probably a month or two, is taking a year and a half just due to weird circumstances. But at least we finally got it on. So now that doesn't mean there won't be challenges and all the things, but we'll just play it by ear and knock them out one by one as they come. But solar is on. I will we're getting ready to head back over to Spring Hill to start working on the Volkswagen thing again. So I'll probably have an update for you later on that as well. I'll probably have another video, thing related video here soon too. So have a great day and we'll talk at you soon. Next up for this house is gutters.